Hello everyone, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the stock of the day, and a little bit different today. We're talking about a big short here. And this is for Clean Energy, CLNE, and had a big press release this morning. It had Amazon in the press release. It had AI in the press release, and the stock just absolutely popped here. You see that it got, this is all pre-market now. This is 8 o'clock. This is 9:15, just before the market opened. So I was saying in the room, this looked pretty ripe for a short. I mean, again, I'm not discounting the news and all, but, it probably was a little overblown. But, you put Amazon, you put AI in a press release, and that gets people's attention. But what I also noticed, and let me see just a second here, I want to get the chart over. What I also noticed was if you look at the daily chart right here, so I said, okay, high right there is 1477. The next high is 1469. This was getting closer and closer. I mean, it was about 30 cents away. Got up to 1432, and I said in the room, keep an eye on this one. This could be a potential short for the day, and look what happened. I mean, so the high right up here around 14. Well, when it pulled back, I mean, these topping tails on the 15-minute chart are good clues. The only issue I had was that there were some bottoming tails too. So I mean, there was quite a lot of indecision. Topping tails, bottoming tails. Again, if you're unfamiliar with what I'm talking about, at one point the buyers had it up here, and then the sellers knocked it down here, and then it closed up here. But once this market opened, that was it. I mean, it just kept, the selling was pretty relentless. Had a little break right here, but pretty relentless selling. So anyway, that was all talked about in the pre-market, and I know a lot took advantage of that once the market opened for a nice short for clean energy. All right, I want to take this chart down. If you have any questions for me, you can just use that email address. This is a link for the free room, and say the room will open tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. I hope to see you then. Bye-bye.